Because MagnaFlow sent us all these radiuses and the tubing and the pieces. You've been building the headers to go on the car, which is really cool. I can't wait to see all that finished. So everything here on the table is all the pieces that are coming from the engine itself, getting through the inner wheel well, going down through the rocker, and then once it comes out the rocker, we've got the xMod mufflers sitting over there in the boxes.
Yep.
So we'll start building that. I'm gonna go open that box and check that out, but this stuff's looking really cool. The xMod is MagnaFlow's new exhaust, the mufflers. What's really cool about this is if you've ever had a car that has a drone at a certain RPM, if you were to replace it with the xMod, it's a tunable muffler. They've got all these different pieces. Now, when you run your exhaust in, then you've got your exhaust that's coming out. There's also a separate piece here that you can put just a turnout. You can cap it off. You can put a longer tip, but all of these, creating another chamber, all of this is so that you can tune that muffler. You can turn it around, run it this way. You can tune it to get rid of that drone. So I've got it on my C10 pickup over there. Once we get that running, then we'll go ahead and drive it. And when we find that drone, just by switching and changing and making an alteration to that part of the muffler, you can tune out that drone. It's pretty exciting. So if you don't like the drone, get the xMod. That's really cool. Go get it.